Have you ever thought about being your own boss? The concept is intriguing, isn't it? The thought of steering your own ship, of being the decision maker, and of carving own success. It's not just about escaping the monotony of the 9-to-5 grind or ditching an irritable boss. It's about taking control of your life, setting your own work hours, selecting the projects that stimulate your interests, and having the liberty to work from a beach in Bali, a cafe in Paris, or simply from the comfort of your own home. Now, that's the beauty of freelancing. It's a vibrant, fluid realm that offers flexibility, an all-encompassing variety work, and the potential for a markedly higher income. From graphic design and writing to programming and consulting, the opportunities are as diverse as they are abundant. It's a world of endless possibilities where you can turn your passions into a profession and dream into reality. Indeed, the rise of digital nomads and the gig economy have made this career path increasingly appealing. The allure of this lifestyle, of this sense of autonomy and control, is captivating to say the least. It's not just about working at your own pace, it's about crafting an existence that truly reflects who you are and what you believe in. The statistics are undeniable, with more and more people choosing to walk down this path. They are favoring control over their own destiny instead of being a cog in a larger machine. With every passing year, the freelancing community is expanding in leaps and bounds, further establishing it as a viable, rewarding career choice. If this paints the picture of your dream lifestyle, then you've stumbled upon the right place. We're going to guide you on how to become a successful freelancer in 2024. We'll provide you with the tools, the insight, and the roadmap to building a thriving freelance career. So, if you're ready to take the leap, let's commence this exciting journey. The first step towards becoming a successful freelancer is to identify your skills. What can you do exceptionally well? What gives you joy and satisfaction when you do it? Embarking on a freelance journey starts by undertaking a thorough self-evaluation. You need to introspectively scrutinize your abilities, your passions, and your strengths. Are you a wordsmith who can weave magic with words? A genius in design who can create eye-catching visuals? Or a master in marketing who understands consumer psychology? Or maybe you are a tech wizard who can outsmart others with your coding skills. There could also be a possibility that your strength lies in planning, organizing, and steering projects to their successful completion. It's imperative to identify these skills first. However, it's equally important to be aware of their market value. So, you need to answer the question: is there a demand for your skills in the freelance market? Do companies require your expertise? Research is vital at this stage. It will help you understand the dynamics of the market, the demand for your skills, and how you can leverage them for your benefit. It's not enough to identify your skills. You need to know how to package them attractively and sell them effectively. Understanding your skills, their market value, and how to market them is a continuous, evolving process. You need to stay updated, upskill, and according to the changes in the market. So the path is clear. First, identify your skills. Next, understand their market value. Then, learn to market them effectively. And finally, stay updated and evolve. Remember, knowing your skills is the first step, but understanding their value is what will set you apart. How do you sell your skills to potential clients? This is where marketing comes into play. Initially, focus on your portfolio, your professional calling card. It is a portfolio of your highest quality work that exudes appeal. Assure it displays varied examples that demonstrate your adaptability and proficiency. Your portfolio is a testament to your talent. It allows your work to stand on its own. Then, we focus on proposals. In pitching to a prospective client, it isn't merely about selling your skills, but selling a commitment, a pledge to address a challenge. Thus, construct impactful proposals. Interpret the client's requirements, offer an unambiguous solution, and elucidate why you're the ideal selection for the task. Lastly, we move on to, this is more than mere exchanges of contact cards. It is the art of relationship building. Be present at industry gatherings, become a part of virtual communities, actively engage in conversations. The source of your subsequent client could be the least expected. Marketing your skills effectively is crucial, but where do you find clients? Now that you're ready to sell your skills, where do you find the clients who need them? In today's internet era, a multitude of platforms exist for freelancers to obtain work. Popular sites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as virtual bazaars where you can promote your talents to prospective clients. Job hunting isn't just about scouring through employment listings, it's a far more comprehensive task. It's about forging connections and constructing professional relationships. Being a part of online communities associated with your expertise is imperative. active on social media platforms isn't just for personal use anymore, but way to expand your professional network. Attending industry events, whether they are virtual or physical, is another crucial aspect of expanding your professional network. The more you expose yourself to the world, the more doors of opportunity you're likely to open. It's crucial to remember, every interaction you have is a potential work lead. Each conversation, no matter how insignificant it may seem, could be the stepping stone for a successful partnership. The need to be proactive is key. Along with persistence, always keep a keen eye for new prospects. Finding work is an ongoing process, but with persistence and determination, you can secure lucrative projects. This constant journey of search and seize is the crux of successful freelancing, and that's the essence of successful freelancing. Becoming a successful freelancer is not an overnight process. Indeed, it calls for patience, persistence, and immense effort. We've guided you on this path, highlighting the liberty freelancing provides and the importance of your unique skills. Remember, in the freelance market, your skills are your capital. Being aware of your strengths and ensuring others are too lays the foundation for your freelance venture. However, the journey doesn't end there. An effective marketing strategy is key. It's about crafting a unique brand, one that embodies your value proposition and speaks to potential clients. This leads us to the next crucial phase, securing freelance work. We've uncovered various platforms for finding jobs. These sites are portals to a realm of opportunities, a place where your skills are sought after. Yet, the journey of freelancing is one of constant evolution and improvement. The market never stands still, and neither should you. Remain in tune with the latest trends, continue acquiring new skills, and consistently aim for better. Freelancing is more than earning money. It's about flexibility and the pleasure of pursuing your passion. It's about being your own boss, dictating your own terms. The correct mindset and tactical approach, you can reap the benefits and freedom freelancing offers. So what are you waiting for? Start your freelance journey today.